with video games galore. This is my to-do list. Okay, so yesterday, no, not yesterday, Sunday, we did some stuff. And I'm streaming today because I've decided to just officially make a stream on every Wednesday. So now it's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Sunday. Because my goal is to do 15 hours a week. And, you know, if I was actually doing the streams, like, you know, the full 4 hours on Thursday and Friday, and then 6 hours on Sunday, I would get it pretty easily. Well, no, I'd get 14, and then I could just make up the extra hour off stream. But one, I tend not to do the full streams. Like, I'm either late or I leave early or something like that. And also, I don't consistently work on the game off stream. Like, I frequently just do other things. Like, recently I've been making an Algol 60 compiler for WebAssembly, which I'll show off once it's actually done, but that's been my current little side project instead of the other multiple side projects I already showed. Oh, well, we're dead. And the game did not like that very much. Yeah, there's something very slow here. I'm thinking, let's put that on the to-do list as like a bug. So I think this should just be renamed to, like, bugs. Massive when loading Godot. And yeah, it's probably, as I mentioned last time, these archways are not like the same mesh repeated. They are one mesh with an array modifier in Blender, so they're just one gigantic mesh that has to load in every time, and that's almost certainly what's doing it. What's this aiming at? Okay, I'm fiddling. Let's actually do some work. So let's go through these. So I already completed the gate. And then road leading to checkpoint and past. What do I want for that? Because I can do... What are our neighboring points as well? Because we need to go, I think, to jump 98 is this one. Huh. Oh yeah, okay, I see. And then this will have, let's preview the neighbors, and it'll have junk, terrain, checkpoint. And apparently no other neighbors. Interesting. Also, I don't like how this, hang on. I know what that is as well. Basically, when we add, draw a segment. Okay, so we have this. So when do we set end? Okay, so let's just do like point plus diff dot normalized. So that way it's going to, if we go back to the check, or if we do this. Oh wait, that is, okay. So it wasn't that there was something like generating beyond the edge, it's just not well placed, it was just bad. Okay. Let's make this actually, like, not, like, jank out. And I wish there's a way to tell the difference between So, like, okay, so these are the bevel controls here. I mean, I know how Godot's, like, UI, like, gizmos are done, and they leave a lot to be desired from, like, an implementer's standpoint of, like, or, like, a tool implementer, because all you have are the ability to draw points and lines for a tool by default. So they drew the points and they drew the lines, and that's the best they can do with the tools Godot gives them. And it's not very good. But okay, let's see. I think first off, this isn't going to go that way. It's just... I'm just going to go more like this way. Because eventually this is going to go around the... Well, I'll keep it here for now. That's fine. Because, yeah, it'll go out this way. Or out this way and around this. And then out. Let's also get, like, chunk terrain charade, maybe? Because I think charade completely ate chunk 109. Oh, not quite. What other terrain chunks do we have? Maybe it's the chunk terrain outskirts. Yeah, there's no... I thought I could have sworn there was something here. Oh, that's also completely wrong. Okay, hang on. We need to go to the world. Eventually. Okay, so we're here. So we should have 110, 97. I guess we do need the charade terrain. So 110... But why are chunk 110... Ah, well. And then chunk terrain. I guess I should figure that out, though. If preview neighbors. If match. Oh, well, this never works. Oh, wait, no, this should work. So do we have any immediate neighbors at all? Oh, wait. Oh, wait, no. Okay. Let's see if this actually does what it's supposed to. Previewing chunk. Hang on. I think my regex is wrong. Print subname. Did I do that wrong? No, 098. If it matches. So this should be start, decimals, end. Oh, okay. It's because this isn't a regular expression. Okay. Var r digits equals how the fuck do we use this again? Why is it always so confusing? Okay, so it's search, not match. Subname. In fact, we could just do name. Well, no. Let's just do that. Okay, so now and also we should just have this in here then. Okay, so now we don't need that. It feels like there's a lot of, oh wait, no. That's because now we don't need these. But okay. Because now we can just drag a row, drop it in. Copy that. Where's the curve? See, this is why I'm making algol, because it takes 7 statements to like just do a regex. I have to do my taxes. Speaking of doing my taxes, I should do my taxes. Because I spent last year making that that little thing, my little spreadsheet program. I make too many programs, probably. That's my problem in life. Oh, how do I just click and make a point? So I should be able to just control and then click, and then it subdivides it, but it's very fraught with peril at all times. Like you can't be too close to it and you can't be too far from it. There we go. Okay. And sometimes you have to use the oh, right. See, this wouldn't be happening if I was programming an algol instead of making a video game. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Because I'm trying to make a proper superset of algol 60, because a lot of implementations at the time just didn't implement a lot of the features because they were really difficult and computers were not, terribly advanced at the time. But it has a bunch of weird features. let's say that's about good. And then we're gonna bring this down.
Every time I get tired or lonesome or
That seems good enough.
a little cross, get my back up,
And so now,
pull this little piece of paper
we go
out,
this way.
and I look at these words, and they mean much to me.
Then, I don't have to do as much work in another chunk. So I should probably make this
I ask God for strength that I
less.
might achieve. I was made weak that I might learn humbly to obey. I ask for help that I might do greater things. I was given infirmity that I might do better things.
I'm ambivalent about this song.
Riches that I might be happy. I was given poverty that I might be wise. I asked for all
See, I'm still on my just getting random songs from YouTube like 15 seconds before the stream starts kick.
life that I might enjoy all things.
Okay, let's make this
I
here.
was given nothing I had asked for, but everything I had hoped for. So despite myself, my prayers were answered. I am among all men, most richly blessed.
Let's do like this here. I guess we'll go like this way. Hills are gonna be tough. Because it might be easier if we just go all the way down the hill and then back up, but actually... I might just accept this messed up mess here. And just put some rocks here. That'd be fine. So what is this? This is, okay, so that's the arm of that thing. So we need this dang thing to be up here, I think. And then if we get this... and then it'll swoop into this way. And I don't know which chunk this is, but it'll be one of them. And also, while we're here, let's have this, like, go into the ground. Oh, wait. There we go. So that way we can do our fancy seamless merge. Okay. So which one's next? I think it's 97? No, 110. Oh. So this will have junk, terrain, garage, junk, terrain, outskirts. Ah, okay, here we are. So we're gonna have like from here to here is gonna be this chunk. Do I want to do that? I mean, nah, Shrod already has enough stuff going on. I'll put this in here. So let's just get that here. It's always wrong by default. Very cool to always... I don't know if there's like is there a default setting for this? Oh, there is. Nope. Let's do like point like 2.5. Point 2.5. Okay, it registered it. And then if we do 2, 5, 0, 0. Okay, it finally got that. We got there. Okay, there we go. Oh, wait. Okay. Happily, it seems that making... Okay, so I don't need to make the chunks unique, but that's good to know. That I don't need to worry about that. But I still will anyway. Let's just do like that. Well... that seems fine. Actually, did I implement... How did the end caps start working? Because I remember I was complaining that there weren't end caps on the ends of meshes, but maybe I'm just not noticing that they aren't there. So, okay, I'm gonna say... What am I gonna say? I'm trying to figure out where this road actually is gonna end up. Because we could do this and then we could loop back here. Yeah, let's call that good. So now we need to go back to Sherrod. We'll do, we should probably do the chunk 98 as well. So that way we get a bit of continuity there. Good enough. Alright, I want to do the same thing here where we do, I don't think these will update. Oh, they do. Look at that. I guess it's because they're resources, not, nodes. Okay, now we can drive up, and we're gonna pull up, I guess just right in here? I don't know exactly. I think my next order of business is to make these, whatever they are. I think that's... You know, I've sufficiently explained myself. We'll make these whatever they are. No, we'll make the road texture what it's actually, like, closer to the final version. Because this looks like brand new asphalt, which is not what it is. It's going to be like 50 years old. Like, maybe, I guess it'd probably be, like, patched up a bit. But, like, especially at this end, it would not be very well maintained. Which, now that I think about it, I'm not going to implement that. I guess this road in general would just not be very well maintained. But okay, and this goes to City 1. And I guess I should figure out where it leads out of from here. Because right now it just stops right here. Which... is not, like, useful. Oh. Wait, what is this? Huh. So if I go down here... Let's, like, get this a little bit better looking. Because now it's going to, like, snake its way past the village, or past the town. What I should do in my free time is play more video games instead of doing all this dang programming. Because, like, I've been doing a lot... I guess just a lot, in general. And I should get my brain back into, like, doing things other than that mode. Oh, what is the best way to get around this? I think actually maybe we should loop around this way. Or maybe, honestly, I think this whole front area could be a separate chunk. I'll figure that out later. For now, though, all of that was a waste of time. Because we're going to go this way. Wait, no, wrong thing. This one is the one that I want now. So we're gonna slip and slide around. See, now it's all starting to make sense. Oop. And then I need to figure out where this road is even gonna go after this. Which will probably be, like, nowhere. Well, does chunk 62 even exist anymore? Because that was the chunk where this city used to be. This whole thing. Wait, this isn't like a hill. This is like... Oh wait, no, I'm at the wrong edge. Yeah, okay, this makes a lot more sense. Because we're gonna go down, loop here, and then probably down this way. So is this chunk six? Yeah, okay, so so chunk 62 actually still has plenty. So we should have that as one of our neighbors. I guess it's probably fine to have, like, sand here. Just coming up over it like that. And I guess maybe it just snakes around this way? I'll have to figure out how this is gonna hook up with, 62. In fact... yeah, because it's gonna be... I'm glad I did that, because I think we can actually come out this way, and then we're going to sloop around. Probably like, well, no, we would not want to go down this hill and then come around. Like, our best bet would be right here. And I'll just let the dust have overtaken it. Okay, so where would we go? I'm going back to the past to my uncle's driveway, which was one of the most, like, perilous journeys that a human being could go on. So let's remove this, and let's remove that, and let's put this here. And then, in fact, maybe even remove that. Then we might need to have, like, a... then a little like intermediate there. There's like 1 billion polygons. Oh wait, I just realized we don't want this to snake all the way down. Right there is probably fine. Because yeah, right here we'd want it to hand off to the other chunk. Okay. Eventually, there we go. Is this still... multi-mesh system. I thought I had undone all of those. Wait a minute. And let's get a itty-bitty path. Oh, right, and this... So yeah, eventually, because I'm going to make all of these chunks a little bit more sensible, since now I've gotten into the habit of just, like, chopping them up whenever it's inconvenient. Like, this was such an inconvenient little bit of railway to have just crossing over one chunk. Let's move this and this to be, like, right in the center. If I remove that, and then we have this come out like that. And I'll figure out, I'll fix the seam later. We should probably have this be like, let's do like 4. So we don't have like quite so many polygons. In fact, let's do that for the other one as well. In fact, what if we did like 5? 6? Probably fine. Yeah, because now there's not quite the insane polygon counts. This here. So I think eventually this is just going to be, I'm just going to put stuff, some other model there. So I'll probably have to export this as like an OBJ or something. Which won't be terrible, but it'll just be work. This bridge, deranged and evil. Let's do like that, maybe. So then there's a little bit of like an... Well, that's dumb. Alright, and here we have our lovely, unusable terrain here. I should probably just go into... Yeah, let's go into Blender. If today is the road day... Alright, so this would be... world. And also I have a moon pie here. Is this... There we go. I'm gonna take a bite of this. This will be fun to figure out. Okay. So how do I smooth this? Right, now we're getting into some sacred geometries here. Oh, wait, no. And while we're here, when did these get so, like, out of sync? Nope, I saw a funny little polygon. I think it was just this one. Yeah, it's just this weird little one. I'll leave that there as a little treat for myself. Okay, so I'm assuming it was because when I was, like, morphing this stuff, there's just messed up terrain. But okay, I think that fixed the worst of it. Yeah, because there's still some little seams, but those will be fixed by the modifier. So I can also add here. Did I... There we go. I should probably just have this selected when I'm doing this. So yeah, with this, I can now triangulate exactly how I want these to be. Like, why don't I just do, like, that? And then we have some, like, decent things here. As I said, perfectly decent. Let's also potentially do like there. What if I did like a relax on this? Relax seems to do kind of the opposite of what you would want it to do. Yeah, it seems to like bunch vertices together rather than like making them not do that. So I was hoping that it would like maintain the topology, but then like move the vertices, like edge slide the vertices to like less aggressive places. And I guess, I'm sure there's some tool for that. Like, what if we did, like, what does vertex relax versus the loop tools relax? Like, see, that does kind of what I want. And then you would just have to, like, probably do like this. Oh, wait. This one's the good one. Yeah, look at that. It just looks a little bit less, like... Well, I'm kind of divided on it, actually. Yeah, I like this look, actually. Okay. So that was a waste of time. But... I think what we'll do is it'll go around this way, and then it'll loop around like this. And then it'll probably fall apart even more aggressively right around here. So I guess this bridge will actually... I'll make a bridge probably here. But we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. I want these to be at least a little bit better. Okay, so now... we only have the seams for these terrain chunks here. Oh wait, some of these still have modifiers. I don't think this one should have any right now. Yeah, okay, that was the issue with that. And this one. We'll just remove all of its data transfers and stuff. Though... maybe just, like, this one? Because I think chunk 110 is fine, isn't it? No, I guess it's not. Okay. Now that's looking good. Now that I'm thinking about it. Let's see, how is this road going to work? So let's go back to, I guess just back to 62 for now. Because this is allegedly a road that went all the way down this thing. Like, fat chance. Like, I guess I could just change these buildings, or I could change the layout of this. I'll see how I feel about that. Oh, right. I'm gonna loop around here, and then we're gonna do, I guess, well, then how do people get up this? Well, I guess they can just walk on the road. Because there's not that many cars here. So yeah, let's have this just like right here instead now. There we go. So yeah, they'll probably have just stairs and walkways, or they'll treat this as a walkway most of the time. Oh, this is gonna be hard. Well, I guess I can just, like, push it down this way. Yeah, we'll just have it loop around seamlessly. And you know what? Let's just put it right in here, maybe. Rather than having to have, like, a second road right in here. How do we get this, though? I guess this... well... right there. And then... look at that, it almost nearly goes up properly. Because I guess I could just grab this little bit, and then let's do a... so it's this chunk right here. So right there.
My headaches get worse when I see the shops. 5 now, on the high street. They sell only mobile phones. I see people walking, sitting on park benches, things pressed up to their ears. I saw you using one. Who were you calling? Others
There we
heard it
go.
too. Automatic listening devices monitored every word you said and clicked on to record if you mentioned chemicals, or bombs, or sex, or one of 3 secret addresses in the London metropolitan area. Medical professionals
So while that
studied subjects who believed
loads
they
in,
received
let's
messages from dead people as voices in their
just
head.
see.
In the 1980s,
So
one of
we
these
go
cases
all the
was
way
discovered
down
to
here.
be
So this
actually
road
transmission
would
from
really
the
be
air.
like most of the
Socially, the case
content.
was isolated as a mobile phone. These devices work using microwaves of a specific frequency, carefully calibrated against the signal in microwave ovens. They transmit in all directions when live, and 45% of the emissions pass directly through the user's head. The effects of these signals are studied on animals destined for the slaughterhouse, boosting the power to simulate years of regular natural use. Often these animals lose coordination in a limb, or go blind in one eye.
Let's see.
The data gathered is used to tune the transmissions until they...
There we go. Also, fun fact related to that song. Most phone manufacturers do not recommend putting your phone in your pocket. Like, they explicitly say, like, you can get burns on your skin from it. I mean, they don't say it explicitly. They say, do not keep it close to your skin, such as in a tight pocket. And what they mean by tight pocket is pocket. And I remember hearing that one day, and I was like, huh, I wonder if that explains the purple spot on my thigh, exactly where I keep my phone all the time. So it's fun, because now I don't keep my phone in my pocket, and then the spot has, by complete coincidence, gone away. Okay, so for this one, let's do, like, 4 degrees. This way we can get a bit more granular with it. Because now we're doing more large, swoopy things. Oh wait, no, I just realized this is, like... honestly, I probably should have made it 2 separate chunks. Because then I would have had... because now it's just a gigantic, enormous model. Well, I guess it'd just be 2 big models anyway, so it's not like it's going to be slower because of that. Because the reason the arches are slow is because they're could be sped up, is because they're all the same model. Just merged. I move this, and then we move this. Yeah, because non-ionizing radiation still can cause damage. I mean, microwaves are non-ionizing, and you don't put, like, people in microwaves. This is, I don't think these are gonna work. I'm just gonna not implement it here. Let's just say about here is where the actual road starts now. By, you know, by developer fiat, by, too hard to implement it anywhere else logic. And eventually I'll even add, little things. Okay, let's see what this looks like with the new, whatever it was, terrain. There we go. Okay. Now it almost looks good enough that you could, like, put it down here, even. Which, I guess... Because this more smoothly arches, but this looks a little bit more... Well, I guess what we could do... Now it doesn't swoop inward. We can put it, like, here. And then... And let's just give this part of the terrain the same treatment. So this is over here, and it's these two. Oh, not editing everything. Okay. And then, so with this here, that gives us this that we could push in. How do I want to do that? I kind of wanted to split it in half again. And then just have this stuff be pushed downward. And let's just chop this one there. Let's see. Let's sort of push all of these then. Or, I guess, triangulate a bunch of these. Because the nice part is, it has to be triangulated anyway, so it doesn't matter if we... Like, from a performance perspective. Hmm. Let's grab these as well. So yeah, they should all look a little less like bad polygons, just hastily like clumped together. What if I just... How does that look? A little more like sane. Though these... There's something wrong here. Like, why are these polygons, like, not, smoothed? But only from certain angles. I guess it's because this... It's, like, weird. Hmm. Hmm. Let's remove these, all this printing here. Because I can tell that it's previewing, you know, neighbor X or whatever. Oh. No wonder it's doing so much stuff. Okay. So now... This looks kinda okay. Let's just add a little bit here, and it's gonna be like, what's this? Oh, right. So I can do that, but only... Oh wait, I can move this, but I can't move this one. Weird. What should I do with this? Let's just put it like here, maybe. It's just gonna seamlessly like absorb into the wall there. Okay. I don't really need to drive down it, but I kind of just want to. Let's just take a little relaxing stroll. Because I guess my next broader plan should be to figure out like where the rest of the road systems in the game are. And also how to do things like address these under things. Oh, right. Hang on, let's just add a stat. So gates, no, checkpoint. And these active entities, checkpoint admin, gate triggers. So checkpoint access. So let's get that. So it'll be global add stat. So that way, when we go over there again, they won't exist. And then I should probably figure out what the save name was for the start of this quest again. And I guess... And admittedly, this was kind of a lower priority thing than I... But oh well. I won't make the texture yet, since that's lower priority still. See, I need to fiddle with my monitor a bit. And other things will be to add just little, I guess, optional platforming challenges around the road. And actually, hopefully this road will guide the player to these, now that I think about it, the entrance to this building should probably be on the other side. So let's go to city. Oh wait, I made that a mesh because I had the very brilliant idea of converting my CSGs to a model without any reason. Yeah, basically, I think the entrance to this building, or there should be an entrance on this side. But I guess I could just do like a... Oh, not quite. I hope I didn't break anything. What did I do? Okay, hang on. Okay, this goes into icons, I think. There we go. Okay. So we'll have that. We'll have that. And then maybe one on the other side. Okay, so this... Yeah, this is gonna need some work. Oh yeah, also I forgot to come back and fix that. Say about there maybe, and then we'll do 62. All right, and here what I need to do. Okay. Oh wait, okay, so they don't update entirely. So let's close these. There we go. Okay. And that doesn't apply here, but that's okay. So yeah, these... What if I just say... What if I just make the road not exist here? Like, it just goes away. Or, like, we can do, you know, like, oh no, the road broke. Isn't that tragic? Isn't that so unfortunate? Look at that. However, could this perfectly functioning road have fallen apart so badly? We really do live in a society, don't we? Well, actually... let's keep that as it is. But now that I'm looking at this, I kind of think this actually could work. So yeah, because we just need to maybe put like a rock here to hide that mess. And then we'll do rock 1. And this right here, super safe. Oop. Game does not like whatever I did. Okay. If it's gonna play hardball, I'll play hardball too. Yeah, let's... Let's just add to the list of things that need done. Bridges, road stuff, texture stuff. Well... And yeah, this is another place where I need to do, like, basically just reinvestigate what exactly I want with this. Oh. What is this? Oh, it's Captain Redford. Let's just go to, where's this coop here? Right, okay. Hang on. Let's see if I can fix him real fast. Wait, can I have, like, a type here? Wait, does this work? No. Then how... What? So what animations do we have? Okay, we do have idle. And he will be, let's do, like, Balic or something. And we also need his dialogue. I'm surprised I managed to go so long without him loading in, but I guess it does take a bit. You have to get pretty close nowadays to get anything to load in. But okay, let's go down to him again. So he at least functions. Or at least doesn't, like, break the game. And also, I have a flag there? Why do I have a flag there? Hang on. Was he in chunk 63 or 75? I'm starting to think he might have been in 74. Oh, wait. I don't think I checked thoroughly enough. Right, it was just microscopic. It just didn't zoom. Hang on. Okay. That's fine. Why is this here? Oh, right. It's not a follower NPC anymore. It's just NPC? Or what is Captain Redford? Oh, he is an NPC. Hmm. Interesting. Well, let's ignore that, because that's not the thing that we're doing today. Okay, visuals, road. Aged. Texture. Oh, wait, no. Out of floor. So, yeah. Aged, texture, fill in gaps under the road. What else do we need? Bridges and ends to the road, and also branches. The sign for the checkpoint, sign for the admin building. I think these are... No, these are actually kind of important, I think. So I guess that's completed. Road leading to checkpoint. So do we need something else for the village? Because otherwise I'm just going to put this at lower priority. Gather information about researchers going into Sherrod. I'm going to do some art stuff still. So yeah, let's do the sign for the checkpoint, sign for the admin building. As soon as I save this stuff. It's been so long since I did work that the hard drive went to sleep. Okay. Okay. Let's see, so what are my next moves? Admin sign, checkpoint sign. So I think these will probably be like the sign that I made for that other area. So let's look if I can figure out what that is. Maybe assets, sign? Not in there. Hang on, let's just go to the dang old... So it's 137. This sign. What is this sign? Put Kella information. So we'll probably do something similar, except... What do we want? So this seems to be a 2-to-1. Yeah, 512, 256. So yeah, let's try to do something similar to this. 512 by 256. forget what font I used. So it'll be Aklama. So instead of information and supplies, it'll be information and I guess it won't even be that. It'll be administration. I think they just used the regular word, like a loan word, I think. Sure. Wait, no, not Cambria math. Cambria will be fine. Livingston. Oh, I didn't realize Pochello is an actual word. Hmm. Yeah. I might turn it into like Pochetto or something, but I'll do that later. Let's see, but we can have just like admin. Or like, yeah, I guess this would be fine. Well, let's do like entry administration. So we'll do Kandera. That doesn't seem quite right. And also this should be a separate thing. Let's say admin for checkpoint. So do I have a word for for? I don't think I do. Eventually I should have like a comprehensive syntax. With me, nigga. So what would a checkpoint be? Let's look at some Google Translate. So what if it were like barrier? Oh. Thought of some. Kubutis. Alright, so let's go to like Bend. Oh wait. And I can't read Pashto. And there you go. Oh yeah. What is it in like Arabic? Oh jeez. I think I'm gonna go mode. Oh wait. Here you go, mode. So what is entry then? So admin for barrier. Yes, YouTube, I'm still listening after 10 seconds. Okay. Ema. Okay. Admin, Ega, Ema, Modi. Let's just do Mod. Admin, Ega, Ema, Mod. Yeah, that sounds better. Let's make it look cool like the other one. So I liked that it was... Well, it's not even left aligned, it just has this here. Oh. Within half an hour, precision 20 minutes earlier than the crash. So I'm gonna see, so what would I want for... So I wouldn't use the same logo here. Maybe I would, actually. Well, what would I want the logo for this to be? Wait, I should make this, like, larger, actually. And we'll just grab this and move it down. Or, like... Let's just make this a bit bigger. What do I want for this? Localized signs. So basically, because these are in a fictional language, but they use a mixture of Cyrillic and, well, I haven't actually well, I used to have a custom writing system, but I figured the language was too small in the world of the game to have its own alphabet. So yeah, then these big, important signs have a mix of their language and English. Or like signs for tourists. Yeah, hopefully... And hopefully Russian speakers aren't confused when they see that this is just gibberish. Or, well, allegedly a fictional language, but I haven't done much to make it cohesive. Actually, let's do... I think what I want. How do I grab things and delete them? It's like the tool changes every single time I use this. But okay. What I'm going to do is I think I'm going to have this be a hybrid black and white. Or I'm going to have the city name, and then I'm going to have the actual like checkpoints information down here. There's like so many weird rules for when it switches tools. Oh, and also let's make these, I guess, slightly less than... I guess it'll just be a mixed opacity. Because eventually there's going to be noise on top of this to look like dirt. Yeah, sure. That could be interesting. Because yeah, I don't know much about the country Georgia. True, yeah. Yeah, because I have been looking at various languages around Afghanistan, which was the local area. Which have some Russian influence. Oh, interesting. I've actually never seen... Have I seen Georgian writing before? This actually looks very interesting. Let's see. Let's check Armenian as well. Oh, wow. I don't think I've ever seen Armenian writing, actually. Or at least not the sort of stylized version. Hmm. Yeah, I could look into that more. Because I have a very simple Abjad for the language. And it actually would be kind of neat to mix that with the Cyrillic as well. Yeah, look at these, because these are actually very distinct. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Wait, this is gonna be Cambria. Probably bold, and then it'll be like, right, caps lock. There you go. What am I on with this? I wonder what they would do to represent their K. Mm-hmm. True, yeah. Yeah, because I think... Because there's also going to be, ideally, a mix of multiple languages within the communities as well. So I could use Cyrillic and then other alphabets like Georgian or Armenian, and then even the custom, or the, the completely fictional alphabets. And I've also been intending to learn Arabic writing as well, since for me it's almost impossible to even parse like where letters begin and end. So I think it'd be useful to just understand that, because that'd also add a lot of grounding to the environment. So I'm going to look for... What am I looking for? Dialogue, side content. There we go. Cool. So I think... Wait. I could do X there, or not that. I have to remember my Russian typing. Alright, let's look at an image of a Russian keyboard. Okay, right next to the heart sign. Welcome. So what would be A, or what would be 2 in Berlash? Quote me of... Let's do like Rosmut. Eventually. I will someday remember where B is. Oh wait, yeah, there it is. This needs to be on a separate layer. So now we have a name for the town, Brosmut. I'm also going to add visuals. Alright. And let's add in like little tiny text, like oh, actually, how do I want to do this? Can I like center these? Vertical alignment? No. Wait, can we can enable, we can, turning is not enabled by default. Oh well. Let's keep that there. How big should the text be here? Alright. Bolt me ev brasmat. Admin eg ima mod. Checkpoint entry administration. It's a little confusing for egg and ev. Hold me there. So let's do like cult me via. Now let's do the rest of this. What if we got white brush, just very slowly, slightly like. Does this take too much away? I guess that's fine. Okay, so let's merge these. Oh. I guess let's save this. Assets, environment, city, sign, Rosmut. And then we'll save one to, here, wherever it is. Oh. I guess material, environment, city, signs. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to then merge down all of these layers. And we're going to start getting, probably like, oh, there we go. Try to make little like scratches in the like paint or whatever it's attached to. Does this not work? Why is this not working? E is not. The eraser has failed me. Oh, it's just because it's like 50 times smaller than it's supposed to be. What if it's like half? Okay, that's how much. Okay, so this... that looks fine. Sort of. Well, actually, now that I'm looking at this, I want, like, something here. Probably this... Alright. Let's put guides here, so that way you can get this exactly where I want it to be. And then this way, let's square the circle. So let's see. Let's look at this. Hmm. Very cool. Yeah, because I'd been looking around at other places. So I should draw from a larger pool. I think this will be fun to look at. Because yeah, I'm also seeing a bunch of different fonts. Because I think, yeah, because this is also just very like sci-fi Georgian font, basically. Which I haven't even thought about like making like a sci-fi version of the script. Oh yeah, thanks for a share. Oh wait, that did. There we go. Let's see if I can figure out how to like make a. Oh, I see. I can just do this. And then that little X right there marks exactly where I want to be. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I wanted to be sort of deliberately anachronistic of like, because there's sort of a hodgepodge of different aesthetics and eras here. Like Jackie doesn't know what a cell phone is canonically, even though they have cell phones. Wait, I just realized I think I can just copy this, paste it, and then I can rotate it 90 degrees, and then that makes my life a lot easier. Yeah, I can just do that. Then I can merge this into there. Oh wait, Yeah, I'd like to do more traveling at some point, because it'd be fun to just... Because I've only been to Costa Rica. That was my only time out of the country. I want this to be aligned probably right there. Actually, is this... I think maybe there should be... Yeah, this is a better place for this. And let's do like a 512 by 256. But we need checkpoint. Sign large. Does this go? Let's see. Okay, that looks good. So eventually I might make this I might reconsider what I want to do for like, because I think this is like the natural or the national like emblem. At least that's how I'm using it. Let's just teleport to rain checkpoint. And then we should have our sign, which will be like oh, wait, hang on. So for some reason, Avermont struck me as a word. Let's bold this. Let's make this larger. There we go. So what is restricted area or like secure barrier? Let's do like mode. Afkaros. Afkaros. Harassment. So, what was the? So if we go to the intro, Jackie says no at one point. So that would be in intro. It would be under tutorial Tyler. Let's see, Paina. What is Y? There it is. What did I say was entry? Admin EMA mod. Okay. Find the EMA. Wait. Eine EMA. Why is this? So can I do like... There we go. Actually, let's do like 150% spacing. There we go. Now I need to remember I. So I have writing translations somewhere. Translation. Was I? Okay. So let's make sure that I actually have these. So barrier. Oh wait. Administration, warning, non. Barrier / gates mode. No, not. And then in front. Where's him again? EMA secure. Grossman. Interesting. Yeah, I guess it's very heavily dependent on where you are, because, yeah, I also saw some, because I was doing Street View of, like, Afghanistan and, Tajikistan, and there were some pretty low-res areas as well. Let's do, like, C... Let's make this vaguely related to eyes. Seriously. So let's do like ooh, that's a hard one to read. Yeah, I think I do want to have more larger buildings. Because I don't have very many... Because I don't really have any, like, city areas yet. Like, I have a little hotel right now. Yeah, because I was also thinking that with the photos of Georgia, where it's just the architecture as well is something that I'd be interested in looking more into. Though I guess this area, because it is canonically like a desert province, so it might not be as dense. But it could be neat to have a little bit more. So there's a admin. Let's do something kind of stylish, because I want to do let's grab this. Let's do this. Oh. Actually, what if instead of doing that... Well, I guess what I could do... And then... No, that's not quite what I want. Let's look at this. Radio Yerevan jokes. Interesting. Yeah, because there's so many different things that I could use as like there are so many just different vectors for like I guess people's culture, which is kind of obvious, but there's so many things to think about with like how you can inject more of a like cultural identity into something. You know, the jokes they tell and all that. I'm gonna try another strategy for my little thing here. Ooh. So now if we make this sort of parallel. So can I do like a... I can't control click. Wait, I can do it here with this. So if we do... There we go. And now, let's swap this over. And now I'm gonna draw a guy. Yeah. So we need a skull in here, and we need it to explode. No worries. Yeah, I think it'd be fun. Let's see what these are. Oh, neat. Let's see, and these will be on the other window currently. So let's flip-flop back around. Okay, these are pretty cool. Oh wait, where's the... Where'd they go? What did I do? Hang on. They disappeared. My poor little brain. Hang on. Oh, okay, they're here. That's what I was saying. Okay, yeah, because this one's very cool. This one's very cool as well. It's a very interesting monument, actually, yeah. You were right about the use of negative space there. Let's see, did I miss one of these? Oh wait, this one's the one that I missed. Oh, this one's the one that I missed. There we go. Very cool. And also, now that I think about it, I should look at... It's very small, but I should look at the road painting in different countries. Because that's another area that I've seen differences. And signage as well would be good. Yeah, because then there's also the obvious thing of this. This is a huge area, actually. It's just like a concrete park, just up above a highway. Very interesting. Yeah, I like to think I'm very observant of details, but it is because it's such a, I guess, large game. It's difficult to actually take the time to implement all of them. Oh yeah, Crete is perfectly green, like 1 pixel wide brush strikes again. I can't tell where it is. Okay, so basically, what this sign is saying is, hopefully if the player doesn't know the language that I made up. Let's see. Professional geoguessers. Road markings, foliage. Oh, interesting. I've only seen a couple. But yeah, it'd be interesting to see more people who can like pick up on those sorts of details of like how the sign is structured, or like road signs and stuff like that. How do I want this to look? I guess I want it to be kind of geometric in design. Because I think that's what I've been kind of getting with these signs. It's just very modern, very geometric. So eventually I should make different styles of signs for things like that aren't like official country business. So let's try some polygons. So if we did this. All right, let's... Where do I need the eyes? Mm-hmm. Yeah, because I'm also thinking... Because I was also thinking in general, I'd like a bit more variety in the overall style, since all of these are now... Or since I've now kind of established the style for this city, or this, I guess whatever administration installed these signs has this very, like, geometric, big flat colors, white text or black text style. In fact, let's make this text here in black, because I think that'd make it stand out in an interesting way. Well, I guess that works. And eventually I need to, I think, make this bigger. Oh. Yeah, it'll be fun to design as more of these signs and then figure out like what other people are doing with their signage. That's a good point. If the signs are, like, you know, installed, yeah, at different times. And I guess that could also justify the already existing subtle differences between the Brasmut sign and the, whatever the other one was. What was that other one? Now I kind of want to figure it, like, well. Yeah, that'll be interesting to think about as well. Like, what has their style been like through the years? So now... this should hopefully convey to any ne'er-do-wells that they're not allowed to cross this gate without seeing the admin. And also we need to make this like slightly not all the way black. Yeah, different fonts. Yeah, that'd be cool. Yeah, to figure out who's making the signs, when are they making them? What are their guidelines? That'd be a lot of fun. And now, let's do, let's try erasing the edges, or keep erasing from the middle. So it'd be like as if they're, as if they've been cleaning it. Also, let's make this a little bit less saturated, maybe? Or, yeah. And this will go to assets, environment, city signs, or whatever it is. Let's give this one a little bit more wear and tear, since this one's right next to the road. Or that's where it's gonna be. And let's do like a... Alright. Make an itty bitty little sign. Project. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Yeah, I've been getting pretty good at the... I have sort of a technique where I just put random noise on top of the image, and that makes it very flexible, I think. Where I can just kind of do whatever, and it'll come out sort of looking like a pretty good texture. Let's see. So now I need, I think, a new little model thing to put this in the game. Because we need a sign that can stand on its own. Yeah, that makes sense. Because, yeah, I think the text would be more likely to wear away as well. If it's, like, painted on. Yeah, because I need... So, yeah, let's make a new sign. Because this one needs to stand on its own. let's do like... So I think it'll be... This will be the material. I'll peek at that, but I'll watch that after the stream. Let's do like a... Wait, let's do material preview. Let's do... So this is taller than Jackie, I think. Yeah, because this is 2 meters tall. I guess that's about right. Do this. So if we grab this here, this here. Okay, so that's the top, that's the bottom. Great. Sign large standing. I guess city. Actually, the sign would be pretty clean on the top with how this is designed currently, but I'll allow it. So we need sign large standing. Oh. There we go. Okay, so we need sign, script. Oh. Material slot. Yeah, I guess it is material 1. And then we're gonna do metal trim. Oh. Entities, environment, city. Okay. And we'll put this right in front of the sign. It could probably be even bigger. Did this not work? Oh, it's because it's it needs the main spatial. There we go. Let's see how this looks in game. See, it is sort of funny comparing it to like the janky, like minuscule texture resolution on this thing to like the fancy little signs that have actually, and this one also has like way too smooth of text. Actually, how high res is this one? This one should be like 256 by 256. Yeah, 512. That's breaking the bank over here. Now let's do Fant. There we go. Oh wait. Oh yeah, because let's do global remove stat. What was it? Sherrod checkpoint access. Wow, it's already 9. I feel like I've barely done anything today. But I guess we at least have a nice little sign that tells you pretty clearly that that you're gonna get shot to death. Oh wait, is this no, it looked like it was horizontally stretched. Maybe it's something to do with, like, the, filtering, or mapping or something. Oh, well, it looks okay. But I think that's gonna be it for today. Wait, hang on. Let's see if I can get them in shot with the... Nah, I can't. Well, I can sort of keep doing it. But... that'll be it for today. A little sign. Fun little things. I guess the road. But I guess a video game is only clicking buttons and looking at stuff, and then occasionally hearing a sound, so making stuff to look at is still a worthy endeavor. Alright, and I'll be back Thursday, probably specifically with writing, since we've done, now I guess, the important things for this. Yeah, I think the last things that I have left to do are just all the quest stuff. Okay, see you tomorrow.